welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, much interesting video here on the channel. Anyway, Obi Cubana birthday party is not over yet though. For those of you who think the birthday party is over, Odogwu like Obi Cubana birthday party cannot be over with just 2 parties. It's not possible. Yesterday night, they shut down Pablo Cubana in Lagos, and this one was strictly for the big boys, like industry owners, company owners, name them, all the big boys you can ever imagine. They shut it down. It was completely lit, and that's what I'll be sharing with you guys here in the video. But before then, Aidon Onyichaka celebrated his birthday yesterday. Most of you know that Obi Cubana actually was the one, with the help of Casey and E-Money, who brought Aidon to the limelight. That guy did something very remarkable that I will be sharing with you guys first here on the video before we move over to Obi Cubana birthday party. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, share a comment of any of the stories.
Oh, no, you're not going to make a very well.
Mona magic, SB. Mona magic to Macavity yesterday night. When I said, the young and them, and I may love one.
Yeah,
Ni se ko le ma bro ka bo wa kamaralo ka le believe e ma ru le bela ise ba na mo na
oh my God, yeah. Jesus. Oh my God,
May God bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you.
Nice. Odogwu. Thank you.
Only you can do this. celebrate you tonight.
Down there. First of all, I want to say a big congratulations to Idon Onyichaka. One, your growth will never cease. Like, you will continue to grow, you will continue to expand. You've been a good guy. You've always been trying your best to give back to the society from the little you have. And a big congratulations to Odogwu himself, Obi Cubana, for that wonderful birthday outing from the most top big boys, Jowizaza. Name them, the list is endless. The owner of Ecool's lead, Vintage Interior, a lot of people were there. You saw it. It was a massive shutdown. It was a complete fun-filled night of the big boys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share your comments in the comment section. See you guys on my next